Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I'm presenting the Financial Express newspaper headline. So, first of all, OTTS versus telcos, try-mulls carriage fees. Next, with losses of rupees 1 trillion in 2 years, startups shift focus to bottom line. Next, no layoffs at the TCS, says HR head. Next, states capex contract despite high revenue growth. Next, Motherson arm buys Germany based firm. On page number 2 in economy section, under that, government may auction 6 mineral blocks this month. Next, economy to grow at 6% in 2023-24 ex Niti VC. Next, DMRC plan shopping recharge app. Next, states capex contracts by 6% despite high revenue growth. Next, GST tribunal main bench to decide on interstate supply. Next, Japan likely to invite India to G7 summit in May. Next, no layoffs at TCS HR head. Next, reforms in multilateral banks on G20 agenda. Next, on page number 3 in economy section of that, mango exports to US may get a boost. Next, reboost wheat crop ally concern. On page number 4 in companies section under that, Hero MotoCorp to expand electric two-wheeler range. Next, aviation has enough potential. GE Aerospace. Next, Fortune Park Hotels to add 15 new properties. Next, slowdown in Geo's active user growth to hinder tariff hike. Next, mid-size sedan on comeback trial. Next, Daikin eyes $2 billion turnover in India FY25. Next, bringing AR in the mainstreams market. Next, creating a deep impact with the deep tech. On page number 5 in companies section to that, Ketan's move NCLAT. Next, NARCL may revive Shri Group's infrastructure financing arm SIFL. Next, mutual fund collection through NFO drops 38%. Next, NCLAT ruling on Reliance Cap to have a huge impact. Next, FPI's invest rupees 7,600 crore in a week. On page number 6 in opinion section under that, much needed easing. Next, tightened pursue strings. Next, Madhya Pradesh agri lesson. Next, resources for resilience. On page number 7 in personal finance section of that, weed out underperformers from your portfolio. Next, why investing is in passive mutual funds is a must. Next, cannot claim tax benefit on stamp duty on purchase of flat. Next, get discount on premium for multi-year health policy. Next, the best of high FDs. Next, on page number 8 in investor section under that, Eicher Motor Hunter 350 continues to ride strong. Next, Nestle India high capex to boost growth. Next, Bharat Force artillery guns order to add to the revenue. Next, on education section under that, what the budget did not do for education sector. Next, over 2 year stay back visa helps start careers. Next, the demand for professional certificates is rising. Coursera. Next, US law schools visit Amity to network. Next, MPS bags most medals at CBSE meet. On page number 9 in Bandwagon section of that, room for growth. Next, providing a roadmap for mapping the world. Next, Formula EA test bed for charging technology ABB. Next, endurance test. Next, Pharma gets a digital booster shoot. Next, how ChatGPT can benefit HR. Next, it stays cool even when your gaming gets intense. Next, designed to stun but practical too. On page number 11, in international section of that, Blinken warns China against helping Russia and Ukraine. Next, Pakistan ministers slam president over poll dates. Next, Karachi attack, cops identify terrorist. Next, Karachi attack, cops identify terrorist. Next, Swaraj poll opens hall in wife's memory. Next, don't forget Napoleon. Russia tells Macron. Next, US holds air drill with allies after North Korea's ICBM launch. Next, don't escalate a balloon row. It will have ramifications. China. Next, Sunak's margin for tax cuts set to narrow with deficit jump. Next, Bonhomi. Next, Blinken warns China against helping Russia and Ukraine. On page number 12, in that Adani Group credit facilities expose a web full of red flags. Next, Meta to roll out subscription service for Facebook, Instagram. Next, in Rift over TV channel traffic hike, millions of viewers bear the burnt. Next, Motherson buys German company SAS for European 540 million. Next, India decimate Australia at Kotla. Next, understanding MNC royalties. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.